Hello people, welcome to my study vlog Selling to Success. And this is my second YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel is Anamika's A to Space. It's 20th March today and it's a very sunny morning at 7:30 am. A new day in spring. And hopefully this day becomes more productive as I'm getting started with my new vlog and my new channel, obviously, for being more productive these days. Now, I'm an educator, a student, an aspirant, and also I struggle very hard to accomplish my dream. But watching someone to be more productive makes me want more to be productive too, which I assume in the whole purpose of this video. And let me just say, mission accomplished, because today I'm just making this video for you all. So here are some study habits I've learned from the YouTube student vloggers that are applicable not just for taking classes from home, but are excellent to implement if you're working from home or completing the personal projects. Now at first, I set an alarm at specific time every day. 8 am works great for me, and I have a task to complete very soon as I get out of the bed. First I stretch myself, I drink glass of water as you can see, and then I'm ready for all. Now I'm making all the work schedule on my to-do list. As you can see, I'm also writing 2 hours and the allotted time. But depending on who I am and how I work at my best, you might find that sitting down and making a detailed schedule of the day will help you hold accountable. This is useful for the people like me struggling to find motivation to study and do work simultaneously. Sometimes work or tasks will take a little longer than expected, but that's totally okay, because the point of a routine is not to cause panic in you, but just to give you a sense of order and to encourage productivity in you. A to-do list just creates an order in your brain and your routine. There's something really satisfying about checking a task off the list, and you can actively keep track of how productive you have been the whole day. Now having a desk is one thing, and having a desk free of clutter is another. Try tidying up your workspace and remove any distraction from whatever surface you are working on. So now I'm just making the notes, as you can see, right? And before making the notes, I was just reading. I like making notes and rereading, and then just coloring the notes like this to highlight some of my points. Now these are the notes not for my study material, but I'm just making the notes for my students, and that's my actual handwriting speed, you can see. Now managing my work and education is the two things I'm struggling for these days. And so I thought, like, making this study vlog, talking to you all and showing my daily activities and sharing my daily activities with our audiences, as well as also being productive day by day. So this is my first vlog. I hope that you will love this vlog, and every day I'll try to make my vlog or daily vlog much more interesting. Now, study vlogs are really a trend these days, but this vlog is purposefully for making myself sit down for getting a motivation or creating a motivation for myself and sitting down in a same place and shooting for the day for the sake of the YouTube channel, which will just make me sit down and also complete my notes at the end of the day. Now these notes are for my students, and I'm just making these notes as a handy material which will help me during my online sessions. Now this was the whole picture of my handwritten notes. You can also find out my handwriting. Meanwhile, talking to you, I finished writing 3 pages of this. Now it's a evening time, and you can see the sky is quite clear. The sun is going to set as it's all orange outside, and this time is the one of the most best time where you can hear the cuckoo's voice because it's spring. Now I'm just having my tea in my rooftop because we don't have garden in our home because it is an industrialized area. And I'm also having some snacks. I love this. Now I'll show you new bud, and this is a rose plant. I really like cultivating rose and planting roses. So I also have a yellow rose in my home. So these are the yellow rose bud. Now as it's evening, so I water the plants. Now I'm watering the plants. This is the most important part of my day. When you just pour the water on the mud, and it just feels like the smell is very nice. The muddy smell from the planters. You can see the birds chirping, and yes, this time I relax myself totally. So today, after so many years, I'm just unboxing my new oil paint because I'm a painter too and I love painting. So yes, today I bought these colors and it has 12 colors in it of 9 ml each, and these are some colors you can find, that is fluorescent yellow, ochre, pink, violet, white, black, brown. So yes, this is the total set of grey, black, brown, yellow, ochre yellow, golden yellow, green, sea green, blue, bluish green, and many, and also red, not to forget, and orange. So yes, I was very excited as I brought the big brushes, and I was very excited to start painting after 10 years long. Now this was the oil paper which I bought, and this is a very good quality paper. Yes, it is a little bit expensive, but yes, it is very good. Now well, back to work again. So this is my online session. As you can see, the table is quite messed up during the online session because you can see so many wires in it. And this is my pen tab which I got from the Educator platform. In my online session, throughout my online session, I use this pen tab to write. Before, it was very difficult for me to write holding the left mouse key and dragging the mouse pointer and writing, but after coming of this pen tab, it was very easy. Well, it was a productive day. After completing all my work planning sessions for the next day, after having my dinner, I sat again for making something more awesome, and just ending this vlog by creating a awesome subscribe for you, and hope you like my first vlog. So yes, this one I just love coloring my all the stuffs I write, and if you have any dreams, then share your dreams in the comment section. Thank you.